name is Serenity and I'm 9 years old.
Hi, my name is Brooklyn and I am 10 years old.
I love it.
Ooh, I got something. Ooh, I got a frog on a leaf. Cool.
I got a little monkey.
I got a frog on a leaf.
I got a little monkey.
It says the species is Kihansi
It
spray toad.
says chimpanzee monkey.
What can people do to become environmentalists?
They can try to help save the environment by not throwing trash all around the forests, try not to set fires. Their forests are burning down and the animals itself are burning with it. It makes me feel horrible because I love all animals and to see one go is just really breaking my heart.
I think that to become an environmentalist, they could host a beach cleanup day. They should also try to get rid of plastic waste things because that could it could hurt animals.
Trash bags look like jellyfish and sea turtles like to eat jellyfish. So sea turtles eat the trash bags instead, so they could really get hurt. If you look at it in the water, it's really like a jellyfish.
I think if they think it's a jellyfish and they eat it that could harm them, they'll probably lower the population.
Stop using plastic bags.